If the idea of selling makes you uncomfortable, you're not alone. A lot of people want to build an online business, but the moment they think about selling, they freeze. They don't want to feel pushy, awkward, or salesy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn leads into income in a way that feels natural, honest, and aligned, even if you've never sold anything online before. First, we need to reframe what selling actually is. Selling is not convincing someone to do something they don't want to do. Real selling is helping someone decide if a solution is right for them. When you stop trying to persuade and start trying to help, everything changes. Turning leads into income comes down to 3 simple steps. The first step is trust. People don't buy because you ask them to, they buy because they understand. Trust is built when you explain things clearly, when you're honest about what something does and doesn't do, and when you set realistic expectations. When someone feels informed instead of pressured, they feel safe making a decision. You build trust by teaching, by explaining why something works, by sharing the process, not just the outcome. The second step is having one clear offer. This is where a lot of beginners get stuck. They have multiple links, multiple offers, multiple ideas, and that creates confusion. A clear offer answers a few simple questions. Who is this for? What problem does it solve? What does someone get? What happens next? And that's it. For example, you might say, this is for beginners who want a simple, structured way to get started. It walks you through the steps so you don't have to guess. It's clear, calm, and no pressure. The third step is how you invite people. Language matters. Selling doesn't have to sound aggressive or urgent. Instead of pushing, you invite. Instead of saying things like, you need this now, or don't miss out, you can say, if this feels like a fit for you, if you want help with this next step, this is available if you're ready. The right people lean in, the wrong people don't, and that's okay. Now let me share a few common mistakes I see beginners make. The first mistake is selling too early. People need clarity before they are ready to commit. If they're still confused, they won't buy, no matter how good the offer is. The second mistake is apologizing for the offer. You're not bothering people, you're offering a solution to a problem that they already have. And the third mistake is over-explaining. You don't need to justify your offer. Clear beats complicated every time. Here's what this looks like in a simple weekly flow. You create helpful content that builds trust. You invite people to one clear next step. You follow up with more clarity and education. And you repeat. Income doesn't come from pressure. It comes from consistency. Your first sale isn't about money. It's proof that what you're building actually helps someone. Focus on serving one person well, and the rest compounds over time. If you want a beginner-friendly way to turn leads into income without feeling salesy, I've linked a simple blueprint below. And in the next video, I'll show you how to set this up so it works even when you're not online.